Hi guys, welcome back to Fibers in the Wind. If you saw last week's video where I was announcing that I'm officially starting my journey on learning to spin and dye yarn, then you'll know that I bought a spinning wheel. And I'm happy to officially announce in this video that I just got my spinning wheel in the mail today. I was at work and it arrived. So today I thought I would do an unboxing / initial impressions video. So we are just going to skip the lengthy intro and get into this video. It's just gonna be me opening the package and giving you my initial impressions. And I'm going to prove to you I have not opened it. I actually waited so I could charge my phone to do this. So I've not opened it. I have my scissors. I will prove to you that I just came home, brought the box in, watched some YouTube videos while I let my phone charge. So I've never done one of these, so I'm sorry if something's out of frame, but I have not opened it yet. Just wanted to prove to you. Because I know some people are like, I couldn't wait. I had to open it and then, reopen it for you on camera, but no. I said I was going to wait, and I'm waiting. So, this is not a very nice box. It's very dirty, and it has a hole in it. Like, this better be a good spinning wheel. It's brand new, by the way. It's probably not directly in this box. The box is probably in this box. So sorry if anything is loud. It's the sound of crunching tape. There's a lot of freaking tape on this. So I'm just taking the tape off. Hopefully you guys can hear this. I'm not even sure if taking all this tape off is essential. I've never unboxed anything on camera like this before, or anything like this, so. You can barely see my head, but at least you can see the box. Now the actual box with the units in, I believe, is inside this box. So I don't believe the parts are just like floating around in this box, because this box is not a very good box. It's like bits and pieces of what looks like it's supposed to be. Okay, so I'm going to lay this flat, so you're not going to see this part. I'm laying it flat. Whoa! Oh my gosh. Yeah, the other box is in this box. So this is just a protective box. Open. Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm trying to tilt this up so you guys can see it. Let me actually just re-angle the camera so that you can see the actual opening of the box. Sorry, I'm just adjusting my tripod so you guys can get a better view of me actually opening it. Okay, the actual box is pretty intact. There are a few creases, but that don't matter. It's just the exterior box that don't look good. So yeah, I'm just going to take the actual box out and move this box. Oh my gosh. Sorry guys that this box is in the way. It almost just hit you. My floor is very slippery. And so yeah, just warning you. Oh my goodness. Okay, good. So I got the Kiwi spinning wheel. Let me just show you here. All the dealy table of that. So I will leave a link in the description where you can get this. I bought this on Amazon and I'm almost regretting buying it off of Amazon. Not 100%, but just in the sense that I actually discovered that, well, this is the cheapest price I could find. I did discover that there was some other websites that weren't charging you sales tax. And I paid like $40 of sales tax on this. And so, although the other websites were the same price, and I already have an Amazon account and buy most of my things on Amazon, the other places, a few of them actually, weren't going to charge sales tax. which I did not understand that when I was buying it. So it would have been nice not to have to pay sales tax. So, wow, this is really exciting. I cannot believe I'm doing this, guys. Remove this paper. You get this little pamphlet. It says made in Finland, okay. I also do have a hammer, oil, and some screwdrivers that I will need to assemble this because I already watched an assembly video. Oh my gosh, it comes with fiber! Guys, it comes with fiber to spin. And I didn't know it was going to come with that. Wow. It came with some of this gray. It's called Ashford Fiber Sample. 100% pure New Zealand wool. So it comes with some gray wool and some white wool. Just sample, just to get you going. Just if you've never spun before and you don't have any ready to go fiber. So I don't know if this will be enough to make anything. I could make a cute little bracelet. We'll see how much this spins. I was not expecting it to come with sample fiber to spin with. So Ashford, thank you. Also, it comes with a spinning wheels and looms magazine thingy, in addition to the manual. So we'll open this up and take a look at it in a minute here. This is dirty, I will say. It's very dusty. This is a brand new wheel, you guys. Just wanting you to know. It's just dusty and dirty. So we'll have to clean that. First part. Was not expecting it to come with extra anything. I didn't know that it was going to come. I only paid $4.89 plus tax, and it comes with fiber to start you with. I'm super comfortable with it. I already know what this is due to the video I watched. These are, it comes with 2 additional bobbins, because if you don't know, this spinning wheel actually has a 2-bobbin lazy Kate attached to it. And if you don't know what a lazy Kate is, it's basically a little thing that holds extra bobbins so that you can store bobbins or have bobbins that already have spun yarn on them so you could ply your yarn. And if you don't know what plying your yarn is, it's basically where you take multiple strands of pre-spun fibers and spin them together in the opposite direction that they were spun. So that's how you ply it. Now whether I can actually physically do that yet, probably not. So another bobbin. So this spinning wheel comes with, I think, 3 bobbins. 1 for your spinning wheel that you use, and then 2 for the lazy Kate. These are made of wood. This is Ashford brand, if I didn't say that. I probably did, but if I didn't. So I'm guessing these are the parts for the base and the treadle. Aha, this looks like the treadle. My gosh. Oh, it has a little, look, how cute. Guys, that's so cute. I did not know it had that carved detailing in there. Wow. And this is a brand new, unused. I think I probably said that by now. So that's the treadles. I don't really know what these are yet. Look like the sides of it, I think. Sides of the base. And we'll read the manual and watch a video before assembling. There is a really good YouTube video from this older gentleman who actually, when you're watching his video, he has like 5 of these pre-assembled already in the background of the video. And says that he's assembled this model multiple times. So, this looks like it's to help you get yarn through the whole thingy when you're spinning. And this looks like the tension knob. And these are all the knobs, hinges, nuts, bolts, screws. This looks like the tension wire, whatever you call it, that goes on the wheel that attaches to the Scotch tension. The only thing it doesn't come with is screwdrivers, hammers, and stuff. It does come with an Allen wrench, though, I will say that. I already know that from the multiple videos I did watch. And what I did here about the spinning wheel is the instructions have images of the nuts and bolts and all the pieces, all the hardware, and you're supposed to place the hardware on the image in the manual to make sure you're using the right hardware for the right part. Because there's different size hardware. That I do know. And I don't know if it's for all the hardware or just for some of the hardware. There's that. I don't even know what that goes to yet. I like that little detailing on the pedal though. I was not expecting it. Now we're almost done unboxing. And then I'll give you an initial impressions. This is the part that the bobbin sits on, or the flyer. The flyer sticks out here and then you'll feed the yarn through the flyer. And it does say Ashford, New Zealand. Has a little picture of an Ashford traditional. If you did not know, that is an Ashford traditional spinning wheel. Traditional is a style. That I do know. I know way too much for never even spinning in my life. So I have some bits and pieces over here, some bits and pieces on the other side of me here. This looks like the tension wheel, whatever you call this thing that you put the tension wire on. And this is the upright. I do know what this is called. This is called the upright. This is the part that stands upright, that your wheel attaches to. There's so many bits and pieces. I only remember what some of them are called. And this, I do not know what this is. It's very lightweight, so we're about to find out. Now, I apologize. This is my first unboxing of any sort like this, so I apologize if it's not that good. Oh, this is the flyer wheel, which comes pre-assembled because, as you can tell, there's not really much to assemble. That's the lightest thing in the box. Actually, it's a little bit heavier than the bobbins. Bobbins are the lightest thing. It needs to be sanded. And I think I have sanding paper with it. And this is the wheel. This is a pretty heavy wheel. I would say this wheel probably weighs like 5 pounds, just the wheel. It was 16.5 pounds. So I've emptied out the box. There's nothing left in the box. Let's go ahead and open up the instructions while I show you what's in the instruction manual baggie, and then talk about my initial impressions and then wrap up this video. This is what comes in it. I may try to get some video footage of me setting it up. Yeah, see, it has all the nuts and bolts, and you're supposed to line them up on the sheet to make sure that it's the right size that you are using. And it's IKEA style, they said. So the pictures are really big. So yeah, everything is really big, bold, black print, but it's really big. You can see from the back. So that should be good. Let's see what other goodies you got. I didn't know it was going to come with sampler. Sampler again. It comes with the Wheel magazine, which I think is probably about looming and wheels and stuff like that, and probably tips and tricks for spinning, it seems like, in this one. And then another one called Ashford Wheels and Looms. Welcome to the Ashford world of spinning, weaving, and textile crafts. And it looks like it has a bunch of different types of spinning wheels. There's the Ashford Joy collection, which is a more compact version. Drop spindles, lazy Kates, Carters, Skeiners, yarn swifts. Oh, I just wanted to mention that Skeiners and yarn swifts are different. This top image right here is a Skeiner, and this is an umbrella yarn swift. I hear them used interchangeably all the time, but they are not the same thing. They can be used basically the same, but they're not the same thing. And then obviously this is a lazy Kate right there. Oh, and a nitty naughty too. They have different size nitty naughties. They have nitty naughty jumbo, regular nitty naughty on the bottom. These three are nitty naughties. Okay, so we're back. I'm sorry, I ran out of space on my phone, had to delete some things, but we are good to go. So all in all, I think that it's great what it comes with. It comes with, like I said, the gray and the white fiber, just a sample amount of fiber to learn to spin with, and it's a decent amount of sample fiber. And it comes with the 2 magazines, and handy enough, a little sandpaper to sand down some of the rough edges. So all in all, I think that this beginner spinning wheel comes with a lot, and I'm really excited. So again, I might try to get some footage of me assembling the wheel. I'm not 100% certain that I will, but my next video is probably going to be me showing you me getting on it and learning how to, work it, or me actually spinning, either one. So anyways, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will catch you in my next video, guys. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this kind of content.